In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to 1v1 in War Thunder with friends. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Setting up 1v1 lobbies in War Thunder is extremely simple. You will be able to customize how many people you want in the lobby, you can choose a variety of settings, and you can choose from presets so you don't have to spend too much time customizing the lobby to make the 1v1 battle happen. So to do this, from the lobby, go into battles and then custom battles. In here, you will be able to browse through various sessions that other players have created. If you want to make a session for your friend and yourself, just go over to the create session option. One of you will have to host and the other person will be able to join. So as you can see, they have presets available to make this whole process easier. So you can choose from any of these, and the one that I would recommend if you just want to do 1v1s is on duels. So as you can see, under these duels, you have plenty of maps, different options, and they will be set up automatically for you. But of course, if you want to, you can click on any of the other options and then customize the amount of players. When you click on any of these, you will have various different options. To keep it simple, I'm not going to go into too much detail about all of the filters and all of the options. I'm simply going to choose one of the presets here. So I'm going to go into Duel 1v1 Ireland. Then I'm going to click start, and now you will be able to customize everything. So as you can see, there are a lot of options. The main one is going to be the number of players. Make sure that you limit the room to 2. This way, no random other people will be able to join. And once this is set up, you are good to go. You can also include a password if you want to be sure that only your friends will join, and you can customize the region to get the best ping possible. Now apply these settings and the session will be created. Your friends will be able to go over to the custom battle screen. So I'm gonna back out to demonstrate how it would look like if they were joining you. They would go over here, so they go into battles, custom battles, and they will be able to browse through all of the sessions that have been created. They will find the session that you have made, include a password if necessary, and then join the session to play with you. Once both of you are in this lobby, you can go ahead, ready up, and start. I hope I was able to help you on how to 1v1 in War Thunder with friends. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.